included in your outdoor movie kit is the instructions to set up the screen and to break it down. We're going to start with setting this up. This is our 92-inch Elite pop-up screen. It is fairly easy to set up. Start by pulling out the different pieces that we have, and then we'll assemble it. The first piece is the largest piece, and we're going to start with the screen. Make sure you get a good hold of it before you pull it out, both sides. And the screen will open itself, similar to a pop-up tent. And we're just going to lay this down on the ground to flatten it out. The second piece in the kit is the base. Again, it's a similar pop-up screen type where you just have to open it up and it will extend on its own. And we're going to set this down below here. In the rest of the bag, there are different posts. And you just turn it over. There are stakes to stake it all down. So it's similar to setting up a tent, where you will want to stake down the tent at different areas.